In Excel, F9 key is an easy and quick way to check and debug formulas. Based on what you select, the F9 key lets you evaluate parts of the formula by replacing them with the actual values they operate on or the calculated result. It allows you to evaluate any part of the formula in any order you want. The formula in cell C9 is using an index match formula to retrieve expenses in 2018. The formula should return $1000, but it is returning a pound NA error. The desired value is in row 3, column 3 of the index array. To find out where the error is originating, double-click on cell C9 to enter edit mode. Once you are in edit mode, select the formula part you want to test and press F9. You can select any part as long as it can be evaluated as a standalone formula. For example, if you select the first match function and press F9, Excel will display its calculated value 3. Click on Undo to exit formula evaluation mode and return the cell back to its original formula. Since this part of the formula did not produce an error, apply the same procedure to the next part of the formula. Select and press F9. This should return the value 3, but instead returns the pound NA error. There is an error with the range selected. Now you know where the error is exactly. Press the escape key to exit edit mode and return the cell back to its original formula. Double-click on the formula and select the correct range. Press enter and now you can see that the correct value $1000 is displayed. Few things you need to be careful while evaluating formulas. Once you are finished evaluating your formula by pressing F9, be careful not to press the enter key because this will replace the selected part with the calculated value or actual value. In this formula, select the sum function and press F9. Now press enter. Function is replaced with the calculated value. Finally, make sure to select some part of your formula before pressing F9. Otherwise, the F9 key will replace the entire formula with its calculated value. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.